Today I have a special video, especially for the college students out there. So let's say, for example, you have a audio transcript from a seminar, from a class, or from an interview, and you want to somehow transcribe that from audio to text, and then have AI such as ChatGPT or Claude in summarizing it. In the event for like an interview, preparation for an interview, or preparation for an upcoming exam or pop quiz. So today I'm going to show you how using Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, I have my audio file already in the timeline. Next, what you're going to do is go to Windows and turn on the text tool. Once that pops up, see it's already highlighted. I already have the file selected right here, okay? So what you want to do is click on Transcribe. It takes a little bit of time, but let the engine do its transcription, converting process from audio file to, there you see the text format. Now instead of having to highlight them manually, you can click on the three dots and then go to export and then say export to text file. So you have the option of CSV or text file. So I'm going to export it to text file and save in the same folder, text format, save. Alright, so that popped up in this folder right here. There is a text format. It's a normal text format right there. Now I'm going to do is edit, select all. And I'm just going to say Control C or Control V or copy. And then I'm going to bring up AI software such as what I love using is Claude. That's my go-to. And then I am going to say, please help me summarize this. And then I'm going to say Control V to paste. All right, that's the audio transcript in text format. And there you go. Almost 1 or 2 seconds. That's a summary. And that's going to save a lot of time in your preparation. I hope this helps. Have fun and good luck.